Today, I am not going to give you any 21-day challenge, neither any 90-day plan, or any motivational speech that you just listen to and feel good and then forget everything. Today, I'm going to give you a 24-hour reset system, which can reset your mind, your energy, and the direction of your life. But there is a condition. It's not for people who just want to be heard. This is for people who are ready to be honest with themselves, even for a day. Because the truth is, your life isn't stuck because you're weak. Your life is stuck because you have been lying to yourself. Let's fix ourselves today. Step 1. Choose a day. Just one day. Keep your phone aside that day. Stop scrolling. Don't watch TV shows. Just you and your mind. And understand one thing beforehand. This day will seem uncomfortable. You'll want to pick up the phone again and again. You tell yourself, just 1 minute. Just one message, and that moment is the most important. Because when the noise goes off, everything that you avoid every day comes out. The same thoughts, the same feelings that you normally run away from. Step to the mirror ritual. Now stand in front of the mirror. No music, no positive affirmations. Just look at yourself and ask yourself a question. What am I trying to be? It is not necessary to speak the answer. It is important to feel it. It will look a little awkward, a little heavy, but that same feeling tells you where you are compromising yourself. Because unless you are honest with yourself, no system or motivation will work. Step 3. Pick up a notebook and write down just one thing that you know you're avoiding. It could be a habit or a decision that you leave for tomorrow every day. Now pause the video and write in the comments section, I'm avoiding dash. Example, I am avoiding my diet plan. I am avoiding my study routine. This does not solve the problem, but you accept it. And when you accept, you stop ignoring. And this is where the change begins. Step 4. Now set a timer for 60 minutes. Reserve this hour for yourself. Focus on your body for the first 20 minutes. Do anything physical. Walk, stretch, push-ups, stairs. It doesn't have to be perfect. All that is needed is movement. Focus on your mind for the next 20 minutes. Write down whatever's going on. Overthinking, fear, anger, confusion, anything. This makes the mind feel light. And the last 20 minutes of stillness, just sit. Put the phone away, not trying to prove anything. In this silence, you will notice that you are not very busy. You are more disconnected. And this is where clarity starts to come. Step 5. At 9 p.m., stand in front of the mirror one last time. There is no question about this, no motivation lines. Just tell yourself, I didn't run away today. It wasn't a perfect day, but it was a real day. And most people don't get to live a single real day in their entire lives. One day will not fix your entire life. But one day he may introduce you to the real version of yourself. And when you meet your real version, the direction automatically becomes clear. If this video inspires you to make a change, don't scroll. Choose a day and start from there. Like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Thank you, little.